What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to another vlog. So today you have seen me dressed up with my helmet on. So I am going to Royal Enfield today because my Thunderbird 500 speedometer is not working, and the speedometer, the trip and the distance kilometer that shows the distance, it's not working. It's not showing correct details, and the needle that of the speedometer, it's not working at all. So I need to get it fixed as soon as possible before my ride starts. So let me show you how my bike looks and what the problem actually is. Let's go. If you see below, now just see this thing is really not working. This thing is not working. All right, so we are back. Sorry for the trouble. I started off, but there was some error on the SD card, and this is the thing that I saw in the reviews for the GoPro, that it sucks at times due to these issues. Anyways, I have set it up. Now it's working, it's recording, it's fine, and it's working. So what I'll do is, let's go for a spin to see what sort of errors it shows, because as you know, I'm planning my ride pretty soon and I would be needing the GoPro to be working fine. But if it does this sort of a thing, then it would be a challenge for sure. So it's working fine. I can see my console. So guys, welcome back. I'll welcome you back again to the vlog today. So today I'm just testing a new setup on my bike. So as you know, my name is Prashant. I'm from Delhi, and I am a techie who loves to travel, who loves to visit new places and enjoy some good food. So that's the thing. I'll be traveling from Delhi very soon to a new place, which I will let you know very shortly. So I'm just for preparing for the ride. I just bought a new GoPro. So earlier I used to capture the videos through my mobile or through some other cams on my car, which were on my car. But driving through the driving a bike and vlogging is very difficult. So you need a cam, you need an action camera, and what better than this GoPro. So I purchased a new GoPro 8 black version, black edition. I had the option of purchasing the GoPro 9 and the GoPro 10, but unfortunately, budget constraints, and I did not want to put in that much money on a GoPro 9 or 10. Yeah, man, this guy is urinating right on the road. So I purchased sorry again, I don't know why it always keeps on showing an error. I'll have to take a U-turn from here now. I want to go back. So just to just to see. I don't know why, but it's again and again popping up an error, SD card error, SD card error. I don't know. If I start my ride and it shows this error, what will I do? What the hell is this guy doing, man? I don't know. It's too mushy. It's too kichadi over here. Anyways, we'll have to take a left from here. So let's see. Let's take a left. I don't know. I have to go at home and check whether we are recording or not. Because if I'm not recording, then it's a big trouble. Then I'm in a big trouble because I'll have to buy a separate SD card for it, which will be a pain in my ass. So let's see how it goes. I hope, I pray that it's recording and I am getting these footages. If I don't get these footages, then I'm in a big trouble. I'm in a big mess for sure. That's a nice temple, very old temple over here. Okay, let's go. Work done. मम्मी का कुछ काम करना था, वो हो गया. नाइट व्यू भी एक बार टेस्ट कर लेते हैं. नाइट में इसका व्यू कैसा रहता है, एंड देन वी विल सी नाइट व्यू कैसा रहता है. अब पता नहीं कौन सी जगह आ गए यार. अच्छा, आई हैव माई स्कूल. इसके आगे मेरा स्कूल आएगा, आलकॉन. लवली मेमोरीज फ्रॉम आलकॉन. Whenever I come over here, यहाँ पे हमेशा काम ही चल रहा होता है. Every time. I don't know why, but every time यहाँ पे कुछ टूटा फूटा रहता है. I think I need to purchase a SD card for this because it's giving me a pain, too much headache, you know, every time. Resetting, SD card error. Otherwise it will be a pain, a headache, severe headache for us. Okay, don't rev it too hard or else people are gonna screw me completely. Okay, we are back home. Camera is tested. Let's park it here. Let's park it over here and just go back. Okay, we are back. Just parking the bike, the Thunderbird. It's parked. Let's go now. Just let me park it up. So this is my parking spot actually. My other two babies, the cars are over there. So now let's go and drink a cup of tea mom would have prepared.